North Korea has fired a suspected intermediate range ballistic missile over part of northern Japan for the first time in 5 years, prompting the government to urge people to shelter from falling debris. This comes in the wake of an escalation of recent weapons tests by Kim Jong un's regime. It was the most significant missile test by North Korea since January, when it fired an Hwasong 12 intermediate range missile capable of reaching the US territory of Guam. Japan and South Korea both called security meetings to discuss the launch. A statement released by the Japanese Prime Minister's office said that at least one missile fired from North Korea flew over Japan and was believed to have landed into the Pacific Ocean. Japan's Kyodo News Agency said that the government has activated its J Alert system on Tuesday morning for residents in the northernmost main island of Hokkaido and the country's northeastern Aomori prefecture. Train services were temporarily halted in the region. The alert read, North Korea appears to have launched a missile. Please evacuate into buildings or underground. The Prime Minister Fumio Kishida called North Korea's actions outrageous and said that the government would continue to gather and analyze information. He further added that he would convene the National Security Council to discuss the situation. Japanese Chief Cabinet Secretary Hirokazu Matsuno said that no damage was immediately reported from the missile that flew 22 minutes and landed in waters outside the country's exclusive economic zone. South Korea's President Yoon Suk Yeol warned of resolute response after the launch. Yoon said that the missile had flown about 4,000 km, a range that puts the US Pacific territory of Guam within the striking distance. The launch is the fifth round of weapon tests by North Korea in the past 10 days in what was seen as an apparent response to bilateral military drills between South Korea and the United States and other training among the allies, including Japan last week. The missiles fired during the past 4 rounds of launches were short-range and fell into the waters between the Korean peninsula and Japan. Those missiles are capable of hitting targets in South Korea.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.